In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Shein product reviewer. If you've ever dreamed of receiving products in exchange for your honest opinion, this is the perfect opportunity to get involved with one of the largest online fashion retailers. Let's dive right into the steps you need to follow to make this happen. First, you'll want to join the Shein free trial program, also known as their product tester initiative. To do this, open the Shein app or visit their website and navigate to the free trial center. You can find this by clicking on the Me tab and then selecting free trial. Here you'll see a variety of items up for trial. Apply for the ones that catch your eye. If you're selected, Shein will ship these items to you at no cost. Once you receive the product, your task is to submit a detailed review complete with photos and, ideally, videos. The quality of this review is crucial. Providing insightful and high-quality feedback significantly enhances your chances of being chosen for future trials. Next, make a habit of leaving reviews on every Shein purchase you make. After every order, try to publish a clear, honest review enriched with photos or videos. The more detailed you can be, the better. Share your styling tips and be as descriptive as possible about the fit and feel of the items. Not only do these reviews benefit other potential buyers, but they also bolster your credibility within the Shein community, making you a more attractive candidate for product review opportunities. Another pathway is to become a Shein campus ambassador or influencer. Shein runs a campus ambassador program and is always open to collaborations with influencers. Keep an eye out for sign-up opportunities on their official website or social media channels. As an ambassador, you'll often receive discount codes, PR packages, and the chance to review even more products. Furthermore, expanding your presence on social media is key. Create engaging content using platforms like TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube where you can showcase Shein try-on hauls, share styling tips, or even complete unboxings. Remember to use popular hashtags like #SheinHaul, #SheinFinds, and #SheinReview, and tag Shein's official accounts to capture their attention. Greater engagement with your posts increases the likelihood of being approached by Shein for collaborative projects. Finally, remain active within the Shein community by joining the Shein VIP program. Engage consistently in style galleries, outfit contests, and by leaving reviews. Being active and visible helps you stand out as a trusted reviewer, furthering your reputation and opportunities within the Shein ecosystem. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for success as a Shein product reviewer. Good luck and happy reviewing.